Our topic is molecular weight and size. This is the topic of the molecular weight and size is the polymer characterization. We discussion about its introductions yesterday. Next we discussion now average molecular weight. The molecular weight can vary from a single digit figure for a simple chemical entity to a number in million for a complex polymer. For example, the molecular weight of hydrogen is just 2, while that the circular DNA in Escherichia coli, this is the gram negative bacteria, around 2 billion. One then wonders if the term molecular weight conveys the same meaning in the two cases. Well, let us examine the matter in detail. A simple compound has a fixed molecular weight, which for acetone, for instance, is 58 regardless of how it is made. If this 58 becomes 60, the compound is no longer acetone but may be acetic. Moreover, in any given sample of the acetone, for example, each molecule has the same molecular weight. This is true for all low molecular weight compounds. There is thus some definiteness about the molecular weight of the simple chemical compound. In contrast, a polymer comprise molecule of the different molecular weight, and hence its molecular weight is expressed in terms of an average value. There are many average, as we will present see. Ethylene gas, for instance, is low molecular weight simple chemical compound CH2CH2. Each of its molecule has the same chemical structure CH2CH2 and hence a fixed molecular weight of 28. It means 12 carbon and 1 hydrogen. So 12 plus 2 is equals to 14, 14 plus 14 is equals to 28. But we polymerize ethylene to make polyethylene, and we encounter an indefinite chemical structure of this. This is the polyethylene. This is the polymer formed by the ethylene monomer. Variant N here is the can change value from one polyethylene molecule to another present in the same polymer sample. This is so because when ethylene is polymerized to form polyethylene, a number of polymer chain start going at an instant, but all of them do not get terminated after growing to the same size. The chain termination is a random process, and hence each polymer molecule formed can have a different number of monomer units and thus different molecular weights. The following three structures for the example represent polyethylene molecule, but each has different molecular weight. This is the polyethylene. R is the alkyl group. Here N value is 500. Molecular weight approximate 14,000. But in next N value is 550. Then molecular weight is the 15,400 approximate, and then value N of is 60. Increase 50 on each step, and molecular weight also increase to 14,000 to 16,800. Number of N increase, then molecular weight also increase. All are polyethylene polymer, but monomer unit change in all three structure. we can see that the three molecules have different size, their molecular weight are different, and yet they are all much polyethylene. A polymer sample can therefore be thought of as a mixture of molecules of the same chemical type but of different molecular weights. In these situations, the molecular weight of the polymer sample can only be viewed statistically and expressed as some average of the molecular weight contributes by the individual molecule that make the sample. By contrast, by molecular weight of a simple compound such as ethylene or acetone constant. Number average and weight average molecular weight. We have to now consider ways and means of averaging out of the molecular weight of the polymer. The two most common and the experimentally variable methods of the averaging are called number average weight average method. The two most common and experimentally variable method of averaging are called as average and weight average method. The following section will clear the concept. Number average concept. Consider a basket containing 4 vegetables. This is interesting example. A basket containing 4 types of the vegetable: onion, brinjal, cabbage and cauliflower. Just for case of understanding, let each onion and onion of the onion lot weight the same, and so each of other vegetable. Assume that the number of each vegetable and its weight are as tabulated. Explained by interesting example. This is the vegetable entity. When these vegetables are in a basket, number of unit in each entity. How many number of unit in basket of vegetable? Weight of each unit and total weight of each entity. W is equals to NMG. We discussed about onion. Onion is number of unity in each entity. There are 2. And weight, one onion have 5 gram. 2 onion have 10 gram. Total weight of each entity is n is equals to 2. Then total value is 2 into 10 is equals to 20. Because W is equals to n is equal to total entity and M is equals to weight. That n into M, n is equals to 2 and M is equals to 10 is equals to 20. Brinjal entity 4 and weight 20. So 4 into 4, 80 total weight, and cabbage also same as 60 and cauliflower same as 750. Then total number of entity 2, 6, 15, 6, 12, 3, 15. And total weight 1450. Now we have to find out the average weight of the vegetable present in the basket. To work this out, one might assume that the individual vegetable entity contributes to the average weight in the proportion of its number. What we then get is the number average weight arrived as follows. Total number of vegetables in the basket, it means total entity is 15. Number of onion present in basket is equals to 2. Therefore, number of fraction of onion. Number of fraction in onion, 15 number of onion is 2. Then fraction of onion is equals to 2 upon 15. According to it, all vegetables fraction is 14, 66 and 3. So 4 by 15, 6 by 15 and 3 by 15. Contribution made by 2 onion towards average weight of vegetables in the basket. Now we discuss average weight. Number of fraction of onion. Onion fraction is 2 upon 15, and weight of each onion, weight of each onion, then 2 upon 50 into 10, because one onion have 10 gram weight. Each unit of onion have 10 gram weight. Then average weight of onion is 1.33 gram. And brinjal also, brinjal is 4 upon 50 and 1 and it is 20, so 4 upon 15 into 20, then 5.33 gram. This is the average weight of the brinjal in the basket. Similarly, cabbage have 6 NIT and 100 gram weight, then 6 upon 15 into 100, 40 gram, and similarly contributes the 3 cauliflower to the average weight 3 upon 50 into 250, 58.00 gram. Then total number of average weight, then 1.33, 5.33, 40 plus 50 is equals to 96.66 gram. This is the average weight concept. Number average weight. Now we discuss weight average concept. Number average concept we are discussing. Now we discuss weight average concept. Number replaced by weight. The other method of calculating the average weight is based on the assumption that the individual vegetable variety contributes to the total weight of the proportion not of its number but its weight. That we then get is the weight average arrived at as follows. Total weight of all vegetables in basket 1450. Total weight in already we discussing in that 450. Total weight 450. Weight of onion present in basket 1 NIT 10 and 2 NIT 20. Therefore weight fraction of onion. Now weight fraction. Here is weight fraction is 2 upon 15 because the number average. But here is the 2 upon, here is the 20 upon 1450, because 20 is the total weight of each. Here is discussing only on weight. Weight is 20 and total weight is 450. Then fraction of onion is 20 upon 450. Similarly, all vegetables respectively, these fractions 80 upon 450, 600 upon 450 and 750 upon 450 respectively. Next contribution made by onion towards average weight of vegetable in basket. Weight fraction of onion, weight fraction is 20 upon 450 into average weight of onion, that is 10 and NIT1, that 0.14 gram. Similarly, corresponding contribution of the brinjal. Brinjal is a fractional weight fraction when weight fraction is 80 upon 450 and brinjal have entity weight 20. So 20 upon 450, 80 upon 450 into 20, 1.10. Corresponding each vegetables have on these weight average concept 41.38, 129.31 gram, and after that total means summing that the made of the each vegetable variety, we get weight average weight of the total vegetable as 171.393 gram. This is the two concept First is the according to number average and second is the weight average. Both are important concept in this polymer and explain interesting example by the vegetable which is in a basket, and once time we fraction is according to number and second is fraction according to weight. Okay students, we discussing next topic generalization of the foregoing concept next lecture. Thank you.